Hey, entertainment seekers! Ready to shake up your streaming game? Meet the latest marvel, the streaming powerhouse that's about to revolutionize your living room. Brace yourself for jaw-dropping 4K Ultra HD visuals, complete with Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10 Plus support. It's like stepping into a whole new dimension of entertainment. But here's the kicker. The real magic lies in the immersive Dolby Atmos audio, transporting you deep into the heart of every scene. Now, let's cut to the chase. With access to top streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+, you'll never run out of binge-worthy content. And who needs cable when you've got live TV, news, and sports channels at your fingertips? And here's the clincher. Take command with the Alexa voice remote. No more fumbling for buttons. Just speak your mind and let the remote do the rest. So, why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary? Dive into a world of endless entertainment possibilities with this game-changing streaming device. Let the binge-watching begin. Introducing the Jeecoo M20 PC speakers, a perfect combination of style and functionality. Customizable design? Personalize your workspace with the unique slideway base, allowing you to combine or separate the speakers according to your preference. Immersive stereo. Sound. Enjoy crisp, rich sound with dynamic 10W output drive units, perfect for music, movies, and gaming. Seamless connectivity. Easily connect your mobile devices via Bluetooth V5. 3 technology. Not compatible with Xbox. Atmospheric lighting. Elevate your experience with integrated LED lighting, featuring a mesmerizing gradient effect. Effortless control. One-button control for power, lighting modes, Bluetooth wired mode, and volume adjustment. Upgrade your desktop setup with the Jeecoo M20 PC speakers today. Introducing the ultra-bright LED lights for room, a game-changer in home illumination. Experience unparalleled brightness and uniformity with cutting-edge SMD 5050 double PCB board layer technology. Unlike ordinary light strips, these deliver smooth, even illumination without any pesky spotting or color discrepancies at the ends. With HitLights, expect top-notch quality and stunning results every time. But that's not all. This LED light kit boasts a hassle-free installation process. With the included UL adapter, RF remote control, and premium 10mm LED strip lights, transforming your space has never been easier. Plus, these strips are fully customizable, allowing you to cut and adjust them to your desired length with ease. Safety and efficiency are top priorities. Tested and proven to exceed 30,000 hours of service life, these LED light bars come with a 3-year, no-replacement guarantee. Trust HitLights to brighten up your home with long-lasting, energy-efficient lighting solutions. From living rooms to bedrooms, kitchens to work desks, these versatile LED strip lights are the perfect decorative accent for any space. Elevate your home decor and create a vibrant, inviting atmosphere with HitLights today. And with a commitment to quality, you can rest easy knowing your purchase is backed by a 1-year warranty and dedicated US-based customer service. Experience the HitLights difference. Brighten your world effortlessly. Introducing the Vivid 11 inches Fire Max tablet, your gateway to endless entertainment and productivity. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the brilliant 2.4 million pixel display and certified low blue light. Power through tasks with the lightning-fast octa-core processor and 4 GB memory, backed by Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Slim, sleek, and durable aluminum design, 3 times as durable as the iPad 10.9-inch, with a 14-hour battery life. Get creative with optional accessories like the Fire Max 11, keyboard case, and made for Amazon stylus pen. Plus, enjoy Amazon Kids for family-friendly content. Control your smart home devices with Alexa integration or transform your tablet into a smart display with show mode. Unlock endless possibilities with the Vivid 11 inches Fire Max tablet. Elevate your entertainment and productivity today. Explore the future of wall scanning with cutting-edge technology. Gain unparalleled clarity by visually seeing into walls, transcending traditional methods. Pinpoint studs, pipes, and wires buried up to 4/10 cm deep within drywall. Compatible with iOS and Android devices for versatile usage. Enjoy extended reach with Wi-Fi capability for remote operation. Built-in rechargeable battery ensures sustained power. Enhanced product casing for improved durability and usability. Detect hidden pests within walls for added peace of mind. Compatible with iPhone 7 and newer models, as well as Android devices running OS 9.0 and above. Experience the next level of wall scanning today.